How to install Elevate by Aditya Birla Money. Open Google Play Store or App Store on your Android or iOS device. In the search bar, type Elevate by Aditya Birla Money and tap Search. Tap Install, and once the app is downloaded, tap Open. Allow notifications so you never miss our expert research calls and timely trading opportunities. If you don't have a trading account, tap Open an account to sign up. Already have an account? Tap Login. Registered users can log in using their user ID, password and one-time two-factor authentication OTP sent to your registered mobile number and email. After your first login, set up biometric authentication for faster access in the future. Even if you close or exit the app, you will be able to log in using your fingerprint or Face ID. To log out, go to your profile section and tap Log Out. Please note, if you log out, you'll need to re-enter your credentials and OTP and re-register for biometric login the next time you access the app.
Keep exploring this fresh, intuitive interface designed for a hassle-free investment journey.